Friday, January 26, 2024. In India, Republic Day. Focus. If you abide in my word, you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free. Republic Day, which marks the adoption of our Constitution, holds profound significance for us. The Constitution is the basic document that guides our nation's core values and principles, much as scripture and doctrine direct our faith. Sadly, there are some who seek to flout or even abolish the Constitution. We need to pray for them. Just as the Constitution is the bedrock of our legal system, Jesus is the cornerstone of our faith. If we abide in His word, He will set us free. The Constitution mandates that laws respect its basic structure and upholds citizen rights. Similarly, Christian doctrine tells us to follow Jesus' teachings for true freedom. Just as the courts can declare a law infructuous, we must reject anything not in sync with Jesus' message of compassion and love. Abiding in Jesus ensures good spiritual alignment. Like wine branches attached to the true vine, we draw sustenance from Him, making pruning unnecessary. There are many who try and lead us astray, but with constant prayer and our gaze fixed on the Eucharist, we can live a life of holiness. On Republic Day, we should choose the right path, not out of duty, but as friends of Jesus. Fruit. As God's sons and daughters, let us follow the path of true freedom through service in both our citizenship and spiritual journey.